Hey guys, so today's video is just a really quick unboxing of my latest Michael's mystery box. I got this I got it last week, so like a week ago from like today's date. Today's October 23rd. So yeah, maybe a week or two ago. I happened to see them as I was walking out of the store and I was like, oh yeah, let me grab one of these. I had already checked out. There were people behind me and the cashier was going to ring me up again after the other lady already walked up to the register. I felt so bad. So anyway, I just kind of grabbed the one on top. Usually I kind of like to, I don't know, peek through the side or take a feel at them. This one felt really light. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, so we open it up and here we go. It is a big box of artificial tulips. Yep, tulips. Well, anyway, I mean, there's a ton of them in here. I don't know that they're anything that I would use. So if you're local, keep an eye out on my marketplace. But let's see. I did peek in here. And so let's just see. I mean, you open this box and all you see are these tulips, right? So I guess for whatever, they're good. And there are a lot of them. So if somebody is in need of something like this for a project, it works out good because there are so many. A lot of times you only get a few and then you can't. So, but watch this as we peek through our box. Now these are all like a lilac-y kind of color, like a light purple. And there's so many. I have not counted them. Here's more. And I do actually see a couple of other colors in here. But look at this gem. Look at this. Also stuck in among all the tulips is a stainless steel insulated tumbler. And I'm gonna say it's like a teacher's theme, maybe? It doesn't say on here. Just looking. What does it say there? Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, it doesn't really give the theme, but I'm gonna say, based on some of the things here, that it would be like a teacher, like an elementary school teacher. So that might be cute. If I ever come across an elementary school teacher. Oh wait, look. If we move this, it looks like, oh, it's like a composition book. What does it say here? Oh, it doesn't say this belongs to, but you know what? I could probably put something on that. Oh, that's great. Okay, so anyway, here we go. We do have some red. It's like a light red. More of the red. A lot more of the purple. I wonder if there's any other treats hidden in this box. I didn't go any further than that. There are so many of these guys. I don't know. The last box I got, it was full of like old Halloween things, and they were really, I was able to use them or sell them or what have you. Here's some white. So we have quite a few whites in here, so that's good as well. All right, guys, so that was it. No more goodies tossed in the bottom here. Just a whole bunch of flowers. We'll see how handy they come in. Or maybe we can just kind of try and resell these. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I haven't been on here for a while. I do have all kinds of stuff set up to go. It's just finding the time and not even the time. I have the time. It's just finding I guess the energy, the mindset, I'll say. All right, guys, enjoy your day, and I hope you liked this video. So if you're into florals, maybe head over to your Michael's and see if they have any mystery boxes with a bunch of artificial flowers for you. All right, have a good day. See ya.